Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB. She loves when I'm sitting up on the bed to do unboxings because she just kind of frolics around me, brings me her toys. Do you see this little ball? She loves to play catch, but this is the biggest ball she can fit in her mouth. Regular tennis ball is too big, and her favorite thing is just to rip the fuzz off. Sometimes she's just sitting there ripping the fuzz off. She's watching me because I'm gonna throw it. Ready? Go get it. Huh. Well, isn't that funny? Okay, go on. So I have an unboxing, and you can tell from the tube and the beautiful purple ribbon that it is an Ever Moment. And I am just in love with Ever Moment. Look how sweet and nice these drills are. That beautiful blue on the outside. All these colors. I can't wait to see which one this is. I do know that it's a 40 by 40 full drill square. Let's see. I feel the tools in there. Oh, we got another free gift of some funky stickers. And here are the tools. It's their standard toolkit they send for squares. It's the very, very sharp tweezers, a pen with a squishy grip on it, and one side is single and the other side poking out is a 3-tip. Wax. They also send you an extra 6-tip, which I like. I then put that on a different pen. Labels to go on your bags, and some pink wax. So there it is. It's always a very nice kit. They put a little extra into everything, which is nice. And most important, I have never had a single problem with an Ever Moment diamond painting. They send you the sheet. There are 32 colors, and if you can see, it's this beautiful, dramatic lion with the blues and the purples. And their symbols, I like their symbols. There's a lot of letters and numbers. And then a couple things like a little crescent moon. This is a beautiful image. So dramatic. And let me peel it up so it lays flat. And they put this scan bar on everything. It's here on the canvas. And if you scan that with your smartphone, you know, you don't have to be smart as long as you've got a smartphone. I'm not that smart. Thank goodness my phone is. And it gives you, it brings up information on how to diamond paint. So if this is your first time, you're not totally in the dark. Although most of us got started by watching YouTube videos. I don't know what we did before there was YouTube. We just didn't know how to do stuff. So here is the image. Oh, it's so beautiful. Even just the canvas I can't wait to put the drills on it. There is all this great shading in the background. It's not just a one color background. His eyes are mesmerizing. Just like yours, BB doll. She says, I'm not even going to turn and look at you. So there. It's okay. I know she loves me. She loves me, and then Charlie looks over me like I belong to him, and he's guarding me all the time. Okay, there we go. That'll lay flat. I will do the inventory on the drill since that is very boring to watch. I do love that this one, every moment always gives you the DMC number. It really makes tracking your leftover drills quite easy. And that's it. Have a great day. And I'll see you in the next unboxing. Thanks so much for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.